Just a few short months after the launch of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, DJI is already preparing to unleash its next-generation flagship. The leaks we've seen so far aren't minor refinements. They're groundbreaking shifts, innovations that could redefine what creators, athletes, and explorers expect from an action camera. Some insiders are already calling it the biggest leap in action cam technology in nearly a decade. If these whispers are accurate, the Osmo Action 6 could make even GoPro's strongest offerings look outdated overnight. So today, let's go deep, very deep, into everything we know and everything we've heard about the Osmo Action 6. We're going to explore the sensor technology, rumored 8K capabilities, stabilization breakthroughs, smartwatch and AI integration, battery endurance, design refinements, and the broader ecosystem strategy DJI may be building. By the end of this breakdown, you'll see why the Osmo Action 6 could be more than just a camera. It could be the future of adventure storytelling. Why DJI is moving so fast? The first question many creators are asking is, why is DJI launching another flagship so soon after the Action 5 Pro? The answer lies in strategy and market timing. GoPro, once the undisputed king of action cameras, has been slipping. Innovation has slowed, and competitors like Insta360 have been quick to fill the gaps with fresh features and bold designs. DJI, a brand already dominating the drone market and heavily invested in gimbals, has spotted an opening. The Osmo Action 5 Pro was about refinement, better battery life, audio improvements, and sharper 4K performance. But the Action 6? This looks like a revolution. DJI seems to be striking twice in a single year to consolidate dominance before rivals can respond. If successful, this strategy could lock creators even deeper into the DJI ecosystem, something GoPro simply doesn't have the infrastructure to replicate. 1-inch sensor, the game changer at the heart of the Osmo Action 6 rumors is the 1-inch sensor. For those unfamiliar, sensor size is everything in photography and video. A larger sensor allows for better low-light performance, richer colors, deeper dynamic range, and that coveted cinematic depth of field. For years, mainstream action cameras have been stuck with smaller sensors. While they've improved in resolution, they've struggled to capture the kind of rich, detailed footage professional creators want. A 1-inch sensor changes that game entirely. Low-light performance, night rides, underwater adventures, and evening hikes will no longer suffer from noisy, grainy footage. Dynamic range. Expect highlights and shadows to be balanced beautifully, reducing the need for heavy post-production. Cinematic look. For vloggers, travel filmmakers, and documentary creators, this could be the closest thing to a Hollywood-grade camera that fits in your pocket. If this leak proves accurate, the Osmo Action 6 won't just compete with GoPro, it will leave it several steps behind. Okay. Recording and high frame rate options. Let's talk resolution and frame rates because this is where things get really exciting. Rumors suggest the Osmo Action 6 could introduce 8K video recording. That's an insane leap for a compact action cam. Why does 8K matter? It's not just about bigger numbers. You can crop and reframe your footage without losing. Detail stabilization becomes more effective when working with extra pixels. Future-proofing, your content ensures it looks sharp, even on the displays of tomorrow. And that's not all. Leaks also point to 4K at 120 FPS and 1080p at 240 FPS, giving creators slow-motion capabilities that rival professional cinema cameras. Imagine capturing mountain bike stunts, base jumps, or surf waves with every drop of spray frozen in crystal clarity. For action enthusiasts and creative professionals alike, this isn't just a nice upgrade, it's a revolution. Stabilization. Rocksteady 4.0 plus AI Horizon Lock high resolution is meaningless if your footage looks like it was filmed during an earthquake. That's where DJI's signature stabilization system, Rocksteady, comes into play. The leaks suggest we'll see Rocksteady 4.0, possibly the biggest jump in stabilization tech since gimbals became mainstream. Here's what's being whispered. AI Horizon Lock, intelligent leveling that keeps your shot perfectly aligned, even during flips or rolls. Real-time adaptation. The system could analyze your movement style and environment, adjusting stabilization on the fly, gimbal-like smoothness, footage that looks like it was filmed on professional rigs, even when handheld or mounted to a helmet. For skydivers, snowboarders, or vloggers running through busy streets, this could mean cinematic-level stability without carrying extra gear. Smartwatch and wearable integration. One of the most intriguing rumors is smartwatch integration. Imagine controlling your action camera directly from your wrist. Whether you're wearing an Apple Watch, Garmin, or another smartwatch, this could include triggering recording or photos without touching the camera, switching modes mid-activity, viewing live telemetry such as speed, altitude, or heart rate synced directly into your footage. For athletes, adventurers, and vloggers who value convenience, this could be a game-changing feature. And it doesn't stop there. Rumors suggest Bluetooth 5.1, dual-band Wi-Fi, and possibly even satellite connectivity for remote tracking, live streaming, and instant cloud backups. Battery life, endurance. That matters. Nothing kills a great adventure faster than a dead battery. DJI seems to know this, which is why leaks hint at 2 battery sizes for the Osmo Action 6.7 ton and 70 mAh standard pack, 1950 mAh extended pack combined with a new, more power-efficient processor. These could deliver over 3 hours of continuous recording, a huge improvement over previous models. For travelers, vloggers, and professionals working in remote areas, that endurance could be a lifesaver. Rugged design and modular upgrades. While no official images have surfaced, insiders suggest the Osmo Action 6 will maintain DJI's trademark rugged design. Waterproof without a case, shockproof construction, improved thermal management for long shoots, but the big surprise might be modularity. Rumors point to redesigned lens mounts, faster ND filter swapping, and magnetic accessories that expand functionality. If true, this would open a world of customization for creators, similar to how modular drones allow for unique builds. Release date and price speculation. When can we expect this beast? Multiple regulatory filings hint at a late 2025 release, likely in time for the holiday season. As for pricing, expect something in the $449–$499 range. That's slightly above the Action 5 Pro, but still competitive against GoPro's Hero lineup. Given the rumored specs, 8K, a 1-inch sensor, AI stabilization, smartwatch integration, that price would be more than justified. The bigger picture, DJI's ecosystem strategy, here's the part most people are overlooking. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just about being a better camera. It's about DJI building a creative ecosystem. Think about it. DJI already owns the drone market. It's a powerhouse in handheld gimbals. Now, with action cameras evolving rapidly, it's creating a seamless ecosystem where every device works together. Imagine filming with a DJI drone in the sky, a Ronin gimbal on the ground, and an Osmo Action 6 on your helmet, all synchronized and controlled through one app. That's not just convenience, that's a workflow revolution. This ecosystem approach is something GoPro and Insta360 can't match. DJI is essentially creating the Apple ecosystem of content creation, where everything integrates smoothly, saving creators time and boosting efficiency. Hidden features and AI editing. Some whispers suggest the Osmo Action 6 may even debut AI-powered editing tools. Imagine your camera automatically, recognizing highlights from your footage, generating, ready to share edits optimized for social platforms, syncing clips across multiple DJI devices in real time. For creators who spend hours editing after an adventure, this could be life-changing. Pair it with voice-activated controls, magnetic lens mods, and AR overlays. And you're not just buying an action camera, you're investing in a portable production studio. Final verdict. So, what does all this mean? The DJI Osmo Action 6 could be the device that finally pushes action cameras into a new era. With a 1-inch sensor, 8K recording, advanced AI stabilization, smartwatch integration, rugged modular design, and ecosystem connectivity, it's shaping up to be much more than just another GoPro competitor. If even half these leaks are true, DJI won't just match GoPro, it will replace it as the leader of the action camera world. The Osmo Action 6 is not just about specs. It's about vision, strategy, and integration into a bigger creative system.